Anacondas are the heaviest snakes in the world, but we really honestly don't know how big they truly get. They are masters of camouflage for their size. You only see its head here, and it lunges out of the water. Look at how much comes out, and that's not even a quarter of its body. Now, the longest anaconda verified on record was 27 feet and almost 800 pounds, but there have been unconfirmed reports of them being 30 plus feet. But when you're a very large snake that lives mostly in the water and can camouflage yourself very well and live in very remote parts of the Amazon, I mean, who knows how long this snake is? You never know how big they can truly get. Maybe one day we'll get a true, absolute monster. I mean, look at the size of this thing.